Welcome to the official video overview for the IPO of Mangal Electrical Industries Limited. We are in the business of processing transformer components, including transformer lamination, CRGO slit coils, amorphous cores, coil assemblies and core assemblies, wound core, toroidal core and oil immersed circuit breakers. We also trade CRGO and CRNO coils as well as amorphous ribbons. Further, we manufacture transformers and customized products in the power infrastructure industry. We manufacture transformers with capacities ranging from single-phase 5 kVA to 3-phase 10 MVA medium power units, and also provide EPC services for setting up electrical substation catering to the power infrastructure sector. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the Draft Red Herring Prospectus dated December 24, 2024. Mangal Electrical Industries Limited IPO consists of a fresh issue of up to 45,000 lakh rupees. Incorporated as a partnership firm constituted under the Indian Partnership Act 1932 on April 28, 1989 under the name and the style of Mangal Electrical Industries. Thereafter, the partnership firm was converted into a private limited company under Part 9 of the Companies Act 1956 as Mangal Electrical Industries Private Limited. And a fresh certificate of incorporation dated April 1, 2008 issued by the ROC with its registered office in C61, C61 A and B, road number 1C, V.K.I area, Jaipur 302013, Rajasthan, India. Our company is both NABL and PGCIL lab approved, underscoring our adherence to stringent quality standards. Source: D&B Industry Report. Our prominent customers for 6-month period ended September 30, 2024 are Transformers and Rectifiers India Limited, Shirdi Sai Electricals Limited, the Executive Engineer MVVNL, Dakshinanchal Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, Western Electrotrans Private Limited, Jaipur Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, TBEA Energy India Private Limited. In-house design with 3 employees. Investors should note the following important risks. The costs of the raw materials that we use in our manufacturing process are subject to volatility due to factors beyond our control. Increases or fluctuations in raw material prices may have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. We are heavily dependent on the performance of the CRGO products and transformer product component. Any adverse changes in the conditions affecting the CRGO products and transformer products market can adversely impact our business, financial condition, results of operations, cash flows and prospects. Any disruption, breakdown or shutdown of our manufacturing facilities or our original equipment manufacturer suppliers may have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. We do not have definitive agreements for supply of products or raw material with our customers or suppliers. Failure to successfully leverage our supplier-customer relationships and network could adversely affect us. The availability of counterfeit products, such as products passed off as our products by others, and any failure to protect or enforce our rights to own or use trademarks and brand name and identity could have an adverse effect on our business and competitive position. Please read risk factors beginning on page 26 of the DRHP. Mangal Electrical Industries Limited is promoted by Rahul Mangal, Ashish Mangal, Saroj Mangal and Aniketa Mangal, who together hold 99.37% of the company. The equity shares of our company are not held by public shareholders. The board of directors of the company consists of 10 directors, 5 of which are independent directors. Revenues from operations stood at 24,701.79 lakh rupees for 6-month period ending September 2024, with an EBITDA margin of approximately 14.24%. The company registered a PAT of 1,973.27 lakh rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of 7.99% for 6-month period ended September 2024. Investors are advised to read the DRHP starting on page 262 for further information on financials and related information of Mangal Electrical Industries Limited. Except as disclosed below, there are no claims related to direct and indirect taxes involving our company, directors, promoters and subsidiaries. For litigations by our company, please see page 350 of DRHP. The net proceeds of the fresh issue are proposed to be used for repayment, prepayment, in full or in part, of certain outstanding borrowings availed by our company. Capital expenditure of our company for expanding the facility at Unit 4 and civil works at our existing head office, Jaipur, Rajasthan, funding working capital requirements of our company, and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not less than 50% of the net issue to QIBs, not more than 15% to non-institutional investors, and not more than 35% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE and NSE. Systematics Corporate Services Limited is the book running lead manager. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the Draft Red Herring Prospectus dated December 24, 2024 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters and selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the Red Herring Prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.